1. Welcome to the channel. 1. Today, we'll explore how to build an AI-powered chatbot without writing a single line of code. 2. Whether you're a business owner, a marketer, or just curious about AI, this step-by-step guide will help you create a chatbot for customer support, lead generation, or even fun conversations. 3. Stick around till the end for a bonus tip on making your chatbot even smarter with AI integrations. What is an AI chatbot? 1. Definition: an AI chatbot is a software application that mimics human conversation. 2. Examples: ChatGPT, Google Assistant, and customer support bots on websites. 3. Types of chatbots: rule-based chatbots, predefined responses, versus AI-powered chatbots, natural language processing and learning capabilities. Why you should use an AI chatbot. 1. Available 24/7, reducing response times. 2. Improves customer engagement and experience. 3. Saves operational costs for businesses. 4. Can be integrated with websites, social media, and messaging apps. Choosing the right no-code chatbot platform. 1. ChatFuel, best for Facebook Messenger bots. 2. ManyChat, great for marketing and e-commerce. 3. Tidio, good for website chatbots. 4. Landbot, best for conversational and interactive chatbots. 5. Pick one based on your needs and budget, mention free versus paid options. Step-by-step guide to creating your chatbot. 1. Sign up on the platform, walk through the sign-up process. 2. Choose a chatbot template, different use cases, customer support, FAQs, lead generation. 3. Customize chatbot responses, drag and drop elements, text responses, button-based interactions. 4. Integrate with messaging apps, connect with WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, or embed in a website. 5. Test your chatbot, live preview and user testing. 6. Deploy and go live, launching it for real-world interaction. Enhancing your chatbot with AI. 1. Using Dialogflow by Google to make the chatbot more intelligent. 2. Adding voice recognition for speech-to-text capabilities. 3. Training the chatbot with FAQs and conversational patterns. 4. Connecting to CRM tools for business automation. Bonus: how to monetize your chatbot. 1. Offer chatbot building services to businesses. 2. Create a chatbot for affiliate marketing. 3. Integrate chatbots into e-commerce for upselling products. 4. Generate leads and sell chatbot-based subscription services. Conclusion, final thoughts and next steps. 1. Congrats. 1. You've built your own AI chatbot without any coding. 2. Experiment with different chatbot platforms and AI features. 3. Like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more chatbot-related content.